Good evening, everyone. We, the science team of MSB Educational Institute, Banswara, takes pride and honor to welcome you all in the first ever online event, Inter-House Science Quiz Competition 2020. Myself, Afzal Shuja, your host. Let's begin with the instructions of the round number 1. Identify the correct option. Here are the instructions. This round consists of a total of 16 questions. 4 questions will be asked from each house. 1 question will be asked from each class of the house. 4 options will be given to the students, from which the student will have to obliterate 3 options and select the option which is most appropriate. The time limit to answer each question is 30 seconds. Here is your first question for the class 5th. Which of these is not a part of our circulatory system? Here are your options: blood vessels, heart, urethra, none of them. The time starts now.
Option C, urethra.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option C, urethra. Let's see. It is correct or not? It is the correct answer. So here is your second question for class 6. Silicon and germanium are used for which of the following purposes? Here are your options. Option A, electronics, B, explosives, C, fertilizers, D, mining.
Option A, electronics.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's see if it is correct or not. Option A, electronics. It is the correct answer. Very good. Next question for class 7. Here is your question. Which plant tissue is responsible for the transportation of prepared food? Here are your options. Option A, xylem tissue, B, phloem, C, meristematic tissue, and D, protective tissue.
Option B, phloem tissue.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's see if it is correct or not. Option B is the correct answer, phloem. Next question for the class 8th. Here is the question. What type of bacteria derives from dead and decaying organic material? Here are your options. Option A, autotrophic bacteria, B, parasitic bacteria, C, saprophytic bacteria, and D, none of the above.
C, saprophytic bacteria.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's see if it is correct or not. Saprophytic bacteria, it is the correct answer. So here the round 1 ends, and I would like to welcome Mr. Anant Vyasa for the round number 2.
So now let's start with round 2. Concept cognizance. Class 8, here's your question. So you are at a vegetable shop. You buy some vegetables and go to the shopkeeper to weigh them. He weighs your vegetables on a weight balance. How will you make sure that he is giving the accurate weight of vegetables that you asked for? Your time to think starts now.
Any stone and food.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so take a look at this answer. The answer is an empty weigh balance should weigh equal weights on both of its pans. Yeah? So the balance should be equal when it is empty. Then the beam should be straight. So we should check for the straight beam before weighing anything on the weight balance. Alright? But your answer is also partially correct, that the weight that he is putting on the weight balance should be equal. Alright? So that is partially correct. Now let's move to the next round. And I will like to present Miss Anamika ma'am to present round
Here
3.
I am to conduct the third round. Parse the picture. Okay, here are the instructions. This round consists a total of 16 questions. questions will be asked from each house. One question will be asked from each class of the house, okay? And an image will be shown. Students will be given 15 seconds to discuss about it. And after that, one of the students will identify the shown image and will answer one question related to that image within 30 seconds, okay? And you will not be given any options for this round. Understood? Clear? So let's start. This is the question for Red House, class 5th. So only class 5th student should answer, okay? So here is your picture. Identify this scientist and name one research center established by him. Your time starts now. So you are having 15 seconds to think about. Okay. Answer it first. Who is this? Don't know the answer? So, you will not be given any marks for this question, okay? Here is the correct answer. He is Homi Jahangir Bhabha and he established Bhabha Atomic Research Center at Mumbai, Maharashtra, okay? So, here is the next question for class 6, Red House. Here is the picture. You have to identify this calamity and what is the main cause of this disaster? Your time starts now. Guess answer. Only 15 seconds you have, yes?
Ma'am, this is drought
Yes.
and
What is the main cause of this disaster?
because of this disaster, the farmer can't grow crops and you don't get food for the suitable days.
Yes, the time is up. See, you have given the correct answer for the image, okay? But you interpret the question wrong. You gave me the effects of drought, okay? And the question was the cause of drought. The cause of drought is lack of rainfall for a long time of period. So it is partially correct. So you will be given marks for
Here
that.
is the first question for class 5th. Which of the following substances has the largest intermolecular space? A. Honey. B. Iron. C. Water. D. Oxygen. Your time starts now.
Water.
Water, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Let's see if it is correct or not. The answer is D. Oxygen. Unfortunately, it is the wrong answer. Next question for class 6. The common name of natrium is? The common name of natrium. Here are your options. Option A, sodium. B, chlorine. C, hydrogen. D, oxygen. Your time starts.
Sodium.
Are you sure? So let's see if it is correct. Sodium is the correct answer. The next question for class 7. Here is your question. The permanent tissue responsible for giving protection to a plant is, here are your options, A, epidermis, B, endodermis, C, parenchyma, D, none of the above. Are you sure? Open the mic.
Epidermis.
Epidermis. Let's see if it is correct or not. It is the correct answer. Next question for class 8. Are you ready? Here is your question. During anaerobic respiration, lactic acid is produced in humans. Then what is produced in plants? Okay? So here are your options. A, methanol, B, propanol, C, butanol, D, ethanol. Think and answer. No need to hurry up. Fifteen seconds. 8 seconds.
A methanol.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's see if it is correct or not. No, unfortunately it is not correct. The correct is ethanol. Okay, for the next round, I'd like to call Anand
Alright.
Vyas sir.
Let's start with the round 2. Concept cognizance. Here are your instructions for round 2. First one, this round consists a total of 12 questions. 3 questions will be asked from each house, yeah. 1 question will be asked from class 5th and 6th for a combined answer. 1 question will be asked from class 7th and 1 question will be asked from class 8th of the house. Alright? The conceptual question will be asked. The students will be given 30 seconds to discuss about it. After that, one of the students will have to answer the question appropriately within 15 seconds. Alright? You will be given no options for this round. Make sure. Alright? Just have to think in 30 seconds and answer. Here is your first question for class 5th and 6th for combined answer. Think. Here's your first question. You bought some seeds. You wish to grow a plant at your rooftop. What conditions can you think of which will be helpful in growing a healthy plant? Your answer was absolutely correct and you get full marks for that. Alright. Now, I like to ask my colleague to take...
Question is for
the
Blue
next-
House 5th class. Take a look at the image. You have to identify this instrument and what is the application of this device. Your time starts now. Say
This is stethoscope.
yes. And what is the application of this?
This is used to check the heartbeat.
Yes. So, yes, your answer is correct. Take a look at the answer. The picture was of stethoscope and it can be used to listen to the sounds that made by heart, lungs or intestine as well as blood flow in arteries and veins. Okay, so your answer is correct. Next question is for 8th class Blue House. Take a look at the picture. You have to identify this disease and name 2 symptoms of the related disease. Your
This disease's name is asthma, and the symptoms are problem in breathing and
only one symptom. So let's have a look at the answer. The picture was asthma. Yes, you are correct. The symptoms are shortness of breath and chest tightening and pain. Okay, so you will be getting partial marks. Okay, half marks.
Next question is for class 5th. Are you ready? So here is your question. The unicellular organism responsible for fermentation is, here are your options: A. yeast, B. Clostridium, C. Euglena, D. Paramecium. Think and give answer. "15 seconds remaining.
yeast.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's see if it is right or not. Yes is the correct answer. Very good. Next question for the class 8th. Are you ready? Here is your question. The category of plant which is partially autotrophic and partially heterotrophic is, here are your options: A. symbiotic plants, saprophytic plants, insectivorous plants, parasitic plants. Think and give the answer. "15 seconds remaining. D. parasitic plant. Are you sure? Are you sure? Let's see if it is correct or not. Oh, it's again a wrong answer. The correct answer is insectivorous plants. Okay, so the first round is over now. Let's call upon my colleague Anand
Is
Vyas, sir, for
everyone
the
is
next
ready for the second round? Okay, so here's round 2, concept cognizance. Are you ready? Here's your question, take a look. You see that some parts of your bicycle are started to rust. Suggest 2 things you would do to make the bicycle rust free. The time starts now. "25 seconds left. Hurry up.
Oil and servicing.
Oil and servicing. Are you sure these are the 2 ways you can make your bicycle rust free? Sure? Alright, let's take a look at the answer. Suggestions to make your cycle rust free. Cleaning the rust off the cycle. Second, keeping the cycle in a dry place. Third, applying paint or coating on the surface of the cycle so that the iron does not come in direct contact with moisture in the air. Okay, so these were the 3 things that you should do to make your cycle rust free. Okay, oiling will not help in this situation. So your answer is going to be wrong completely. Okay, servicing is not the right answer because it will make the parts work better, not to make it rust free. Alright? So this answer will be considered wrong. Okay, so this was all about the second round, and I would like my colleague Anamika Vyas to take
So
care of the
let's
third
begin.
round.
The first question is for class 5th. Here is the picture. Identify the disease and what is the cause of this disease. Your time starts now. Yes, answer it.
Fever.
Yes, fever. And what is the cause of this disease?
Eating junk food
And
and going to bad place.
okay. So this is your answer. Now final answer.
Let's start with the class 5th. Question number 1. Which of the following is a natural germination process of seeds? Natural germination process of seeds, okay? So here are your options. A, molting. B, sprouting. C, fertilization. D, none of them.
Fertilization.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's see if it is correct or not. No, it is not the correct answer. The correct answer is sprouting, okay? Next question is for class 6th. Let's begin. Are you ready? Okay. Which of the following is a metalloid? Have you got the question? Which of the following is a metalloid? Okay. So here are your options. Copper, silver, oxygen, silicon. Think and give the answer.
Copper.
Are you sure? Let's see if the copper is correct or not. No, it is not the correct answer. The answer is silicon. Okay. Next question. Question number 3rd for class 7. Are you ready? Here is your question. Question number 1. Which of the following instrument is used to measure heights of building? Have you got the question? So here are your options. Hypsometer, sphygmanometer, stadiometer, odometer. Hypsometer, sphygmanometer, stadiometer, odometer.
A. Hypsometer.
Are you sure? Okay, let's see if it is correct. A, hypsometer is the correct answer. Okay, well done. So for the next round, I would like to call my colleague, Mr. Anant Vyas, sir.
So are you all ready for the next round? So here it is. Round 2, concept cognizance. Okay, the final question for the 8th class. Ready? Here's your question. Suppose the distance between the earth and the sun becomes half. What would happen to the life on Earth in this situation?
The temperature of the earth will increase and there will be drought everywhere and the human beings will not find food to eat.
So what will happen to the life? Please speak louder.
Human beings will not
Sure? Final answer? Alright, let's take a look at the correct answer. The answer is, Earth is at an enough distance from the sun to sustain life already. Okay? If the distance between the Earth and the sun becomes half, the heat coming from sun will be so much that no life form will be able to resist it and survive. Alright? So there will be no life on Earth in this situation. Okay, you said there will be no humans, but actually there will be no life in this situation. But your answer was absolutely correct, so you will get full marks for this round. Alright, so this was all about the second round. Now I would like to call my colleague Miss Anamika Vyas to conduct the third round.
To conduct the third round, pass the picture. So the first question is for class 5th. Please take a look at this picture and how is this phenomenon affecting the environment? What is this picture? You have to identify. Your time starts now. 15 seconds. Answer fast.
So, by cutting the trees, we don't get oxygen more, and the people do not get oxygen.
Okay, what is this phenomenon actually? What is the picture of this?
Cut the trees.
Okay, let's have a look at this. This is the correct answer. Deforestation. Okay, the term is deforestation, and the effects are global warming, increase in air pollution, soil erosion, water cycle gets disturbed. These are, so your answer was partially correct, so you will get half marks. Okay. So next question is for class 6. So here is the picture. You have to identify the disease and what are the symptoms of the disease. Your time starts now. Yes, only.
The disease name is cold and cough, and the symptoms of this disease is we having a problem of oxygen and sneezing.
Okay. So, final now? Okay. So, let's have look at the correct answer. Common cold. Okay, correct. The symptoms are runny nose, sore throat, cough and sneezing. So, your answer is absolutely right.
After the completion of round number 1, here are the final scores. Red House, 40 points. Blue House, 10 points. Green House, -5 points. Yellow House, 10 points.
Of round 2, and here are the final points. Red House scored 5 points, Blue House scored 25, Green House 5 points, and Yellow House scored 25.
Third round, these are the scores. Red House 5 points, Blue House 20 points, Green House 10 points, and Yellow House 15 points.
Announcement of final results. I would like to call upon the judges for today's quiz, Sheikh Shabbir Janab Madarwala and Nisrin bin Degani.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's science quiz has been a very successful one. I take this opportunity to thank all the coordinators who have prepared this science quiz for the children. Even in this current situation of COVID-19, they have managed to set up a quiz for the children. And today's judging was very difficult for all of us. However, there is always someone who comes first, second and third. I request Janab Sheikh Shabbir Bhai to declare the final results of today's science quiz.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। खुदा ताला अपना आका ने मौला सैयदना अली कदर फजल सैफुद्दीन आका ने उमर शरीफ ने दारोज़े क़यामत दराज़ ने दराज करे। सगला ने હવે આ સાયન્સ ક્વિઝના રિઝલ્ટ્સનો બેસબરીથી ઇંતજાર છે. રિઝલ્ટ્સ આપણે ઇન્શાઅલ્લાહ બસ થોડી સેકન્ડ હજી સબર કરીએ, રિઝલ્ટ અનાઉન્સ થશે. એના પહેલે ફક્ત જે સૈયદી સાદિક અલી સાહેબે નસીહતમાં જે દિકર ફરમાવી એના ઉપરથી થોડી દિકર કરીએ કે ખિલકત ખુદાની ગોયા ખુદાનો કિતાબ છે, આકિલને એ ઘટે છે કે મુતાલો કરા કરે. પૂરી સાયન્સની થિયરી એના અંદર સૈયદી સાદિક અલી સાહેબે સમાવી લીધી છે કે આપણે જે સાયન્સનું ઇલ્મ પઢીએ છીએ, મોલાએ ફરમાવ્યું કે હર ઇલ્મ આલે મોહમ્મદનું ઇલ્મ છે. સાયન્સના ઇલ્મના અંદર આપણે ગૌર ફિકર કરવી જોઈએ, ફકર એને પરીને મૂકી નથી દેવાનું. જેમ સૈયદના મોહમ્મદ બુરહાનુદ્દીન આકાએ એમના અશરા મુબારકામાં આપણે સુનું આપે ફરમાયું કે આપના અંદર પૂરું યુનિવર્સ છે, આપણે મિની યુનિવર્સ આપના અંદર સમાયેલું છે. તો હંમેશા આપણે શું કરવું જોઈએ કે દેખવું જોઈએ કે આપણે આ સાયન્સ પરા એનાથી આપના ઇલ્મમાં આપના દીનમાં કેટલી મજબૂતી હાસિલ થઈ. એ જ મિસલ અવલિયાઉલ્લાહના કલેમાત આપણે આ સાયન્સના જરિયાથી ઘણી બહેતર રીતથી સમજવામાં કોઈ આપણે મદદ કરે છે. ખુદા તાલા મૌલાનાને હંમેશા બાકી રાખે અને આપણે હંમેશા આ ઇલ્મી શેરમાં આગળ ચલતા રહીએ, આ ક્વિઝ આ મિસલ થતા રહે અને આપણે સગલા મૌલાનાના સાયામાં હંમેશા આબાદ શાદ ઇલ્મ પડતા રહીએ, અમલ કરતા રહીએ. 4 હાઉસ છે, એમાંથી ગ્રીન હાઉસને 10 પોઈન્ટ હાસિલ રહ્યા છે. ઘણું અચ્છું, ગ્રીન હાઉસ 10 પોઈન્ટ. હવે આપ લોકોએ બી હમણાં આ ક્વિઝ દેખવું જશે તો ખબર જ છે કે કોણ આગળ હશે, કોનો ઘોડો આગળ છે, કોનો ઘોડો પાછળ છે. 2 હાઉસ છે, 2 હાઉસના દરમિયાન ટાઈ છે, રેડ હાઉસ અને યલો હાઉસ. મગર બેવેના માર્ક્સ ઘણા જ્યાદા છે. બેવે એ 50 પોઈન્ટ હાસિલ કર્યા છે. ઘણું બહેતર, ઘણું અચ્છું. સગલાને જ ઘણી મુબારક થાય, સગલાએ જ ઘણી મહેનત કીધી અને સગલાએ જ આ પોઈન્ટ હાસિલ કર્યા છે. હવે કંઈ ગેસ કરવાની જરૂરત નથી, એક તો ટીમ ફાઇઝ થવાની જ છે. તો ધ વિનર ફોર ટુડે ઇન્ટર હાઉસ સાયન્સ ક્વિઝ 2020 ઇઝ બ્લુ હાઉસ. બ્લુ હાઉસ એ 55 પોઈન્ટ હાસિલ કર્યા છે. ફક્ત માર્જિનલ અહેડ છે અને એ વિક્ટોરિયસ છે અને રેડ અને ગ્રીન રનર્સ અપ છે. ખુદા સગલાને જ મુબારક મોહન્ના કરે. ખુદા આકા મૌલાની ઉમર શરીફને તારો દે, કયામત દરાજ કરે. आमीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. खुदा ताला सैयदना अली कदर मुफद्दल सैफुद्दीन आकानी उमर शरीफ ने क़यामत दिन तक दराज करे. I take this opportunity to thank the science faculty for organizing the science inter-house science competition 2020, and after experiencing and viewing the inter-house science quiz, we came to know that the children, the students of the middle section are getting ready and they have performed quite well. So I thank the students, the parents and all the participants for participating in the science inter-house science quiz 2020. Thank you very much. Khuda Ta'ala सैयदना अली कदर मुफद्दल सैफुद्दीन आकानी उमर शरीफ ने क़यामत दिन तक दराज ने